Good morning to everyone. I am immensely proud and delighted to represent my company today and to present our projects and ongoing projects. So, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to all of you. Blockchain revolves around the core beliefs that with strong online privacy and strong cryptography, you can re-architect the ways that people interact with each other. It opens up a whole new space of diversity and decentralization, no longer confined to a hierarchy as a solitary mode of coordination. And that is why we are here today, and that is why I am standing in front of you to represent my company, Bitforx, who we are and what we do to contribute to the new world of emerging possibilities. You may not have necessarily heard of us yet. That is because we decided to first build a solid foundation to develop interesting projects before we would do a PR campaign. So who are we? We are a young international team of young professionals driven by a transformative nature of technology. Our aim is to develop different products and services using blockchain technology. Bitforx was established a few years ago. We entered in this field with mining operations, and since then we have extensively expanded. For existing moment, we are running 40 megawatt data center, and by the end of this year, we are going to increase the capacity up to 100 megawatts. We are the second largest mining data center in Georgia and are among the 20 largest mining data centers in the world. Our mining data center is located in Kutaisi, Georgia, in the free industrial zone, and our headquarters is located in Tbilisi. This is how our mining data center looks at night. When you are standing in front of these gigantic machines, like you have a feeling as if you are in the Matrix, like it is really impressive and marvelous. So beside large-scale mining operations, our ongoing projects are digital wallet, cloud mining services, cryptocurrency exchange, and Proof, decentralized platform for supply chain transparency and automation. We want everyone to be able to participate in the crypto economy, to easily access mining operations and store their mined coins in a secure digital wallet. Because of these security concerns, it has become very important how do we store our digital assets. That's why we built this application. With our services, it is really easy to enter in the cryptocurrency world. Mining needs intensive investments and a high level of technical understanding of mining hardware, deployment and maintenance. It is quite risky. It is not comfortable to mine at home because of this noise, and it is quite risky as well. With our cloud mining services, it only takes a few simple steps to start Bitcoin mining, and that is possible with minimum investment, minimal risk, and no technical knowledge whatsoever. And when it comes to the fees and maintenance of our cloud mining services, we offer one of the most favorable and reliable services on the market, including low maintenance fees. We developed our new mobile application, which offers portfolio management functions, so we can always be informed and updated about the state of your favorite digital assets. Besides cloud mining services and digital wallets, we are working on the cryptocurrency exchange platform, which will be online in beta in September. We are oriented to deliver the best possible service with simple and intuitive user experience. Our platform will offer advanced trading features, complex trading opportunities, not just placing simple buy or sell orders. In order to be convenient and more competitive, we will provide a fiat gateway because it is really important to be convenient and to integrate fiat gateway, and we will enable payments with Visa and MasterCard. But mining isn't revolutionary, and neither are cryptocurrency exchange or cloud mining services. They are important and significant projects which are supporting the solidity of crypto community, but they are not revolutionary. So how do we contribute to developing of more fair, open, decentralized, transparent, cohesive society? The projects we made the profits we make of the projects I mentioned, we develop and fund the projects that are revolutionary. And one of them is Profus, a supply chain platform for transparency, for supply chain platform. Global supply chain makes 54 trillion a year, and notwithstanding this fact, the invoices are sent in on PDF. And databases are centralized, fragmented, and siloed, and there is no transparency. There is no transparency. We want to develop this platform and provide maximum transparency, because counterfeiting problems are global issues, and the global economy is losing lots of money because of these problems. The first use case, one of the most interesting directions, utilization of the blockchain technology will be reasonable and effective, can be supply chain management system, tracking and monitoring goods and services through its entire life cycle, starting from a manufacturer, finishing with a final consumer, is a huge challenge and vitally important step in building trust between consumers and brands. The first use case in building decentralized platform for supply chain transparency and automation will be Georgian wine. Wine can be considered as our strategic asset, if you like. Georgia, as you probably know, is one of the most ancient winemaking countries, the cradle of wine. The ancient physical evidence of wine production dates back to 8,000 years ago, according to a number of world's proficient experts. And even ancient traditions of high-quality winemaking culture in Georgia can even be found in Greek poetry, in works of Homer and Apollonius of Rhodos. Over the past several years, Georgian wine export has tripled, so it has become significantly important to tackle the counterfeiting problem and preserve the excellent reputation of Georgian wine. To maintain highest quality and ensure consumers worldwide that they can trust and rely on Georgian wine is a really main challenge. It is in the best interest of consumers, wine producers, and Georgia's economic development. Inspired by this, we've decided to provide this platform and help winemakers. After presenting this idea to wine producers, it was perceived very positively and enthusiastically. So we have already few important players on board from this wine industry, and currently we are working with them to fully integrate their business requirements in the platform's architecture. Beside private investments, the rest of funds from development of proof of protocol will be raised through the ICO. We have several more important projects which I would love to share with you, but due to time constraints, I will leave at this. And I would like to take this opportunity and express my immense gratitude towards organizers of this conference and participants as well, because as for us, for Georgians, it is really important to participate in such kind of conferences, which brings us knowledge, experience, and new connections. Because Georgians are quite good at mining, and whole the world knows about this fact. It is a great thing, but I do believe that time has come that we do more interesting things than just mining. Because I believe that we are capable of developing and deliver the good blockchain use cases and successful blockchain stories. So thank you so much for having me, and I'm looking forward to speak with you in person after the conference. Thanks.